we are going to discuss about fighting money laundering with statistics and machine learning. Then we are going to discuss about overview of our project, that is abstract. The main objective of our project is to detect or identify the particular person have a money laundering account or not. So by using the different machine learning algorithms, money laundering is a kind of financial crime that converts proceeds of crime and further discusses the illicit origin of money brought in the economic system of a state. The scope of money laundering is extensive, especially confined as in recent times by taking into account the emerging challenges arising from digital technologies being used in deriving the illegal sources of money and integrating it back to the financial resources of the states. The system is developed the different machine learning algorithms for detecting the money laundering account effectively. The machine learning algorithms such as gradient boosting algorithms and random forest. Then the experimental result shows that accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. So this is the abstract of our project. Then we are going to discuss about flow of our project. This is the flow diagram. First, we need to take a input data set. The data set was collected from some data set repositories like Kaggle, GitLab, and so on. The collected data is carried out. We can read the collected data by using the pandas package. So the collected data set is carried out to pre-processing step. So here the main objective is we need to clean the data. So in this step we can handle any missing values is present or not. If you have any missing values, we need to replace that missing values by zeros. For avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. So label encoding means we need to convert string into numeric integer value for machine understandable. The cleaned data is carried to data splitting module. Here we can split the whole data into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Then the splitted data is carried to the classification module. So here we are implemented the machine learning algorithm such as gradient boosting and random forest. Gradient boosting is considered as an existing algorithm and random forest is considered as proposed method. With the help of that classified algorithm, so we can detect or predict the particular person have money laundering account or not effectively. Then finally we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. Based on the accuracy, so we conclude which algorithm is efficient. This is the flow of our project. Then we are going to see about demo of our project. First, we need to run our project in Anaconda Navigator. That is the Spider IDE. So this is the output. Data selection. So first module here we can read your input data by using pandas package. Then handling missing values. So these are the columns which is present in our data set. So these considered as zero indicates count of missing values. Here there is a no missing values. Label encoding. So meaning of that we need to convert the string into numeric integer value. So this is the string. So after that we need to convert that string into integer value. Then data splitting. So here we can split the whole data into test and train. So this is total number of data and total number of test data, total number of train data. Majority of the data is present in training part. This is the result for random forest, that is the accuracy and the precision recall, the other submetrics. And this is the gradient boosting algorithm. So this is for existing considered as at 78%. Then the final part is prediction. So here we need to enter the corresponding details like ID, total number of friends. Just click a predict. So identified money laundering account, they have malignant. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.